With Casa Brew, your cherished beans are transformed into an aromatic journey where each unique flavor is carefully extracted. As the inviting aroma envelops your senses, Casa Brew's 20-bar pressure system ensures that every nuanced note of your coffee is preserved. Delivering a smooth, deeply enriching brew that rejuvenates your mornings. Unleash your inner barista with the adjustable steam wand. Whether it's velvety lattes or creamy cappuccinos, your milk is frothed to sheer perfection, transforming every sip into a luxurious indulgence.